I'm going to see a lot of cars of my childhood, and this is again another one, a Metro City in all its glory. Hello to all my lovely subscribers, especially Rover subscribers or anybody who's interested in British cars. This is the BL show at Gaydon, and it's slightly rainy, typically British weather on a typically British show, and as such Beatrix is here yet again doing the show run. She tends to have been doing a lot of shows recently, and I intend for that to stay the same, but we are, as you can see, at Gaydon, the British Motor Museum, which we have not been before on this channel. I've been before a few times in the past, but since then we have a giant collection centre over there which I've never been to. But today, depending on the weather, we're going to see a lot of cars in the car park, because that's what it's about. It's about exhibitors bringing their fantastic BL vehicles, whatever age, whether vintage, classic, modern classic, you name it. There's going to be a variety of vehicles here, and I might just show you a little sneak peek inside the museum. Most of you have seen Gaydon. For those of you who haven't, that is specifically going to be an episode on a completely different day. Today it's going to be rammed, it's going to be packed in there, there's going to be people everywhere. So I want to give you the benefit of the cars outside here that you won't see on any other day. We're going to go in that museum probably on a different day. So today we concentrate on the show out here. So let's see some cars. Ooh, lovely Spitfire. Sounds a bit rautic. Ooh. Nice. I can smell that woof of petrol coming from that V8. Oh, Maestro. Oh, another Maestro. That is what I remember as a kid. I'm going to get really nostalgic about Maestros today. Oh, Metro Vanden Pla. Yes, yes, yes. Now that's a very early two-door ranging. Very nice. MGF. Oh, we have a late Mini Cooper coming in with a sport pack. Oh, we have some, I believe, coupes, if I'm right in mistaken. That is such a nice colour. Oh, we have a lovely Rover 800 creeping in. What a wonderful car that is, sir. 820 or 827?
820 Vitesse Turbo.
Vitesse Turbo. Such a nice car.
Youngest car on the road.
Whoa. Well, that's a straight cut gearbox. That was a Wolseley. Oh, we have potentially another coupe. Superb. Well, that's a Morris Mini Minor, judging by the grille. That is a stockingly good, nice car. That's a beautiful sound. There's another one. Well, that's a Vanden Pla Princess. And another one. Intoxicated with the fumes. Oh, we've got an Allegro Equipe. Wow. Anybody know those stripes are a mile off? What a rare car that is. That sounds rather raughty. 25. Oh, nice Marina Estate. Oh, with all the gearbox wines. Oh, TR8 with that V8 sound. Very rare car. TR7. Oh, Mini Cooper. I think it needs a tune. Have a queue building up here. MG Maestro with those cheese grater wheels. And a Mini as well. Midget. Another one. Another Mini. It's too much. 600 again. Nice to see a few of these turn up. I simply love it that people are revving their engines running past me. Oh, this one's puffing out a bit of smoke. MG Maestro. Bit of blowback. Oh, this is an early 800. Another Rover 600. Who doesn't like a 2000 estate? And a nice minor as well. Traveller. TR8. And another one. And another one. Beautiful sound. Something delivering some sort of mixture. Interesting. Triumph 2000 Mark 1. Very early one. Oh yes. Viscous fan coupling going off there. 2-door Rangy. Rover 600. Really nice to see. Ooh, bit of a throb from the exhaust. MGB. Another 600. And another one. Is there a group meet going on here? Must be a club. Of course. 800 here pulling in. Oh yes, Maestro Special pulling in. I love the two-tone on Maestros. Really nice Allegro. I'm getting cancer from this Perkins diesel. I'm not even anywhere near it. That's sweet. Oh yes. MG Metro moving in. Another Princess coming in. Another Triumph 2000 Mark 1. Got lots of smoke going on from that maxi. SD1. Another V8. Sounding too nice. Cops are here as well. Yep. I've never seen a Maestro like that before. That's definitely something different. Rover 25 Mark 2. Lovely to see. Oh yes, A-series sound. Oh, you again? Go away. Princess. Lovely sound. And a couple of veterans coming in. Rover R8 200 creeping in on a K-Reg. That's very sweet. That is 216. Oh, what a beautiful car. Marina. Oh, they're all flying in here. Tourer. Now that's some conversion, that is. I'm sure 2000 shouldn't sound like that. We have an Austin Cambridge. Very fruity. A princess. Oh, it's missing slightly, but it's getting there. It's here, that's the main thing. We've soldiered in. 45 V6. And another one. Oh, we have a P6 in Mexico brown with a Huntsman roof. I thought it was the Royal Mail that had turned up, and then I thought, nah, wrong shade of red. Maestro, I could probably an L. Another 45. Spitfire. $25. Oh, would you believe it? Another Maestro Mayfair, judging by the silver trims. Beautiful Maxi. Rover Metro on an L reg. Christ almighty. Oh gosh, that's had some mods. Raspy little exhaust we have here. And quick as well. Another Maestro and a special this time. What a beautiful Maxi that is. 1976. What colour? Brooklands green. Should have known that. Lovely.
Thanks, mate.
That is gorgeous. We have a 45 CVT. And this ship box behind it, it's got no place at this show. Go away. What are you doing? You alright?
I'm alright, you?
Yeah, I'm not too bad. Yeah, yeah. Gold HL Maestro 1.3. Ooh, Rover R84 416. Oh, Maestro Turbo, NG Maestro Turbo. I'll buy another one. Triumph Vitesse. Ooh. Austin Cambridge. Sounds nice. Oh, Rover HHR. That's a lovely spot. 420. Nice Marina. In the colour that we all remember. Well, I don't, a bit before my time. Rover Mini Cooper on an R-Reg. Injection 1.3. Stag. And another one. Oh, Bandon Pla in all its glory, and sounds really sweet. That is the sound of the 60s. Oh, Rover 100 Cabriolet. Oh, what a rarity that is. Another Van den Pla, 1300. Oh, 1800 pulling in. Oh, there's another Mini Metro City. This is a favourite car of mine. We have an Austin Princess 2. That is exactly like my granddad's car. MG Metro. Followed by the MG RV8. These sounds are just so nostalgic. $1,800 rally car. Gosh. I can honestly say the humidity down here today is, I think it's causing all the exhaust smells to linger. Beautiful Rover 200 SD3. What an absolute gorgeous pickup this is. Another Maestro with those very identifiable wheel trims. Maurice Total, what a rare beast that is today. Oh, a Wellesley 1822. What a rarity that is. Sounds a bit missy. Followed by another Austin Princess 2. But it's made it. What a gorgeous colour that is. Rover R8 in a beautiful two-tone colour that I couldn't remember as a kid. Wow, marine in all its glory, an early one as well. An early Maestro on a Y-Reg. Very early Maestro. We've got some Allegros pulling in. Oh, we got an Allegro 3 on a W-Reg. That orange interior.